टू डॉक्टर्स, मैं आपका उज्जवल सर। आज एक न्यू वीडियो ऑन बेसिडोमाइसिटिस। अर्लियर वीडियो शायद आपने देख लिया। वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड एस्कोमाइसिटिस एंड फाइकोमाइसिटिस एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव कवर्ड द बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ फंगस। तो अगर आप नहीं देखे लास्ट वीडियो, थोड़ा देख लेना, बिकॉज फंगस इज कंप्लीटली रिलेटेड। तो आज जो टॉपिक हम पढ़ेंगे बेसिडोमाइसिटिस के बारे में, बट बिफोर दैट let me ask you about and thank you about the comments that you are providing it to me. Now, what I should ask you is about आप लोग किस तरह से पढ़ रहे हो। ऐसे पढ़ो कि एक टॉपिक जब आप पढ़ोगे तो टॉपिक को भी अच्छा लगे कि आपने उसको पढ़ा है। Fine? So let us start with the topic called Basidiomycetes. So the topic is about Basidiomycetes. So when we talk about Basidiomycetes, what is the meaning of the term Basidiomycetes? ये क्लास है called Basidiomycetes. Basidio means what? Basidio means basidium. It has come from the term called basidium. And this is what mycetes means what? Fungi. Fungi. So basidium कुछ तरह के club हैं. They are called club fungi. They are called club fungi. Why? Because they look like this. And fine, in the very first class we have talked about कि fungus को the moment fungus comes in our mind, what comes in our mind is about this mushroom. This is a rhizoid. This is the hyphae, which is called as stipe sometimes. So this is called hyphae or stipe, and this is the fruiting body. क्या है ये? Fruiting body है. And this fruiting body is also called as basidiocarp. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Basidiocarp. Carp मतलब क्या है? Carp मतलब fruiting body है. So what is the meaning of the term carp? Carp means fruiting body. Now ये mushroom है. So what is the scientific name of this mushroom? It is called Agaricus campestris. Agaricus campestris. Fine. Normally ये Agaricus के अंदर, if you see from dorsal side, now in the ventral side, you can see some stripes. ऐसे ऐसे स्ट्रिप्स हैं, उसके अंदर क्या रहता है? उसके अंदर हैप्लॉइड स्पोर रहते हैं. So what is present over here? Haploid spore, and this spore falls over here and forms another hyphae. So the plant body is N, but over here there are some cells which are called spore mother cells inside that particular sporangium, और ये रहता है अंदर. So that means the spores are present inside. अगर स्पोर अंदर रहेगा, we call it endogenous in nature. So what is the major difference between Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes? Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes में major difference तो यहाँ पे होगा कि Ascomycetes majority of them उनका जो स्पोर है वो बाहर की तरफ है, एक्सोजीनस इन नेचर. जीनस मतलब क्या है? एक्सो मतलब बाहर, और जीनस मतलब क्या है? जीनस मतलब ओरिजिन. बट इन केस ऑफ Basidiomycetes, they are mainly endogenous in nature. अंदर रहते हैं, स्पोर अंदर रहते हैं. Clear? And this is Ascomycetes. The major difference. Now, when we talk about जो फंगस के बारे में, the moment we talk about fungus, so फंगस के बारे में बात करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली वो कहां पे रहेगा? What is the habitat? Moist, damp, moist region. So damp soil में रहेंगे वो. So basically what they can make is they are definitely saprophytes, and some of them are parasitic in nature, which can create disease. वो क्या कर सकते हैं? वो disease cause भी कर सकते हैं. So let us get into this. So ये था Agaricus campestris. क्या है ये? ये edible fungi है, but इसके साथ when we talk about Agaricus, there is another species called Agaricus bisporus. Bisporus. And Agaricus bisporus ये सबसे क्या है? सबसे एडिबल फंगी है एंड सबसे टेस्टी फंगी है. फाइन, इसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है, एडिबल फंगी Agaricus bisporus. बट ये नॉर्मली इस फंगस को, इस एडिबल फंगस को हम क्यों नहीं खा सकते हैं? बिकॉज इसके हर एक लैंग्वेज में इसके नाम बहुत खराब होते हैं. जैसे इन बंगाली इट इज कॉल्ड एज बैंगेर छाता. बैंग मतलब फ्रॉग, छाता मतलब अम्ब्रेला. In Hindi, it's called as kukar mutta. Why this kind of bad name is being given? Because क्योंकि यहां पे एक पॉइजनस फंगस है, उसका नाम है Amanita muscaria. Amanita muscaria, and they are called as toadstool, and it's a poisonous toadstool. It's a poisonous fungus. So इससे बचने के लिए इनको अलग खराब नाम से पुकारा जाता है, poisonous fungus. Now, what kind of disease that they create? ये किस तरह के डिजीज करते हैं? आपको याद दिलाने के लिए, टू हेल्प यू रिमेंबर, एक है यूएस और एक है पीआर. इन दोनों को आपको याद रखना है. व्हाट इज यूएस? यू स्टैंड्स फॉर द डिजीज एंड द कॉजेटिव एजेंट, उसका नाम क्या है? उस्टिलागो. और एस स्टैंड्स फॉर स्मट डिजीज. डिजीज का नाम क्या है? किस तरह का डिजीज करते हैं ये? स्मट डिजीज करते हैं. सो यूएस मतलब उस्टिलागो ऑलवेज क्रिएट्स स्मट डिजीज. और ये उस्टिलागो, 3 तरह के उस्टिलागो हमें याद रखना है. वन ऑफ द उस्टिलागो इज उस्टिलागो न्यूडा ट्रिटिसी. उस्टिलागो न्यूडा ट्रिटिसी. ट्रिटिसी मतलब अगेन व्हीट. सो दे क्रिएट स्मट डिजीज. They create smart disease in wheat. Wheat में smart disease करते हैं Ustilago nuda tritici. ये एक ही नाम है, and this is a trinomial nomenclature. The second example about Ustilago is Ustilago maydis, M-A-Y-D-I-S, maydis, and it creates smart disease. It creates smart disease in maize. It creates smart disease in maize. The next one is, the third one is Ustilago. Ustilago hordi, H-O-R-D-E-I, hordi. It causes smut disease in barley. Smut disease in barley. फाइन. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सी द डायग्राम ऑफ इट. इसका जो इमेज है वो भी हम देखेंगे ताकि थोड़ा सा आपको याद रहे. सो दिस इज हाउ यू शुड रिमेंबर उस्टिलागो स्मट डिजीज. व्हाट इज पीआर? पीआर स्टैंड्स फॉर, P for Puccinia, P for Puccinia, and R for rust disease. So Puccinia क्या करेंगे? Puccinia is going to make what kind of disease? It's going to create a rust disease. और उसका नाम क्या है? Puccinia graminis. Fine. Puccinia graminis. Puccinia graminis is going to create what kind of disease? It is going to create rust disease is going to create rust disease. Puccinia graminis. It is going to create a rust disease in wheat. Fine. That is also very important. Puccinia graminis. So ये दो disease बहुत important है. Now we are going to talk about some of the other examples like nidularia. Nidularia क्या है? Nidularia, ये term, it is called as bird nest fungi. Bird nest fungi. इस फंगस को देखने से लगेगा कि बर्ड का नेस्ट है. Bird nest fungi. Nidularia, and the term nidularia has come from nidology. What is nidology? The study of nest is called nidology. Fine. So these are the examples that we have to remember about them. What is the reproduction that they show? किस तरह का reproduction देते हैं ये? The reproduction in Basidiomycetes, normally हम जानते हैं कि 3 तरह का reproduction है. एक है vegetative, एक है asexual और एक है sexual. What is so very interesting about Basidiomycetes that they don't show any asexual mode of reproduction. ये asexual mode of reproduction नहीं दिखाते हैं. ये क्या दिखाते हैं? Basically fragmentation दिखाते हैं under vegetative. They show what? Fragmentation. They show fragmentation as vegetative. And under sexual, they have got all those 3 steps. What is that? First, they show 2 types. One is somatogamy. That is also shown by Ascomycetes. और वो एस्कोमाइसिस से किस तरह से डिफरेंट है? दे ऑल्सो शो स्पर्मेटाइजेशन. There are two process. And remember when the Basidiomycetes, उससे कुछ डायग्राम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ फिगर आपको दिखा रहे हैं. देखो, we have talked about कि वो दो तरह के होते हैं, that is US and PR. उस्टिलागो वो क्या करते हैं? U मतलब उस्टिलागो, they create smart disease. देखो ये smart disease है. This is the smart disease which has occurred inside maize. ये maize में smart disease हो गया. ये maize है. And see what infection can occur. What kind of infection? देखो ये smart disease हो गया. This is smart disease in maize. In maize. And this smart disease in maize is caused by Ustilago medis. Ustilago medis. So this is one of them. See. So I think ये आपको याद रहना चाहिए. Okay. Now ये जो फिगर है ये है Rust disease in wheat. Rust disease in wheat caused by Puccinia graminis. Caused by Puccinia graminis. So it is rust disease in wheat. Fine. This is done by Puccinia graminis. Puccinia graminis. Okay. And the next one, this is we have talked about. This is about the wheat. ये क्या है? Wheat में there is a disease called Ustilago nudatidici. Ustilago nudatidici. Fine. ये क्या कॉज करते हैं? Ustilago nudatidici. Ustilago nudatidici. It causes what? It causes the smart disease in wheat. Smart disease in wheat. Okay. And this is what? This is the bird nest fungi. देखो पूरा फंगस को ऊपर से दिखाया जा रहा है and they look like what? Bird nest. And this bird nest fungi is also called as Nidularia. Nidularia. This is a bird nest fungi. Bird nest fungi also called as Cyathus. क्या कहते हैं? Cyathus. So this was some of the idea about Basidiomycetes. Hope you have got the idea. Fine. So this is all about the Basidiomycetes. So देखो और इसके बाद we are going to talk about some more extinct, most important things about Basidiomycetes. Reproduction, sexual reproduction में हम तो ये तीनों स्टेप कभी नहीं भूल सकते. वो क्या है? The first is what? The first is plasmogamy. The second is karyogamy. And the third is zygote में क्या होना? Meiosis inside zygote. Meiosis in zygote to give rise to what? In zygote to give rise to haploid spore. To give rise to haploid spore. So what kind of spore they have inside their basidiocart? They have got what kind of spore? The sexual spores are called basidiospores. So this is so very important about Basidiomycetes. Now my dear students, Basidiomycetes में आपको US याद रखना है and PR याद रखना है. US मतलब Ustilago स्मार्ट डिजीज कॉज करता है and Rust disease कॉज करता है PR, that P for Puccinia. So this is all about Basidiomycetes. Just go for that. याद रहे Basidiomycetes में कभी कभी क्या होता है? During karyogamy, two of the nucleus N plus N, they can make what? Dikaryon phase. They can make what? Dikaryon phase. Some of the fungus under Basidiomycetes, they can show dikaryon phase. So this is so very special about Basidiomycetes. I'm going to start with the next topic called Ascomycetes very soon. Next topic, Ascomycetes we have already done. We are going to talk about Deuteromycetes in the very next topic. Fine. All the very best. लिखते रहो, जो कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हो उसको लिखो. बार बार बोला जा रहा है, जितना लिखोगे आप, जितने बार लिखोगे, then only it is going to remain in your cerebrum for long. All the very best.